The theme of this year's supply chain conference is Reimagine Supply Chain, Fast, Forward, Focus. We chose that theme because we wanted to demonstrate to our clients that we heard them when they said, we want to hear about strategy, we want to hear about the future of supply chain, but we also need to hear how do we achieve it. In Forward, we're talking about the forward-looking capabilities, the future of markets, the future of supply chain. With Fast, we're saying how do you get there fast? How do you align a sequence of initiatives? How do you work on the right things now? And that's where Focus comes in. Focus is about selecting the critical few things that you need to do in order to get to where you want to be, and not to have this big menu of activities all going on with chaos and not ever getting anywhere. The innovation track is new this year. So when we looked at developing this track, we wanted to find things that were really 5 years away. Things that some of the leading innovators might be talking about now, maybe working on, but that there are very few demonstrated use cases. And it's things like big data opportunities. So what does big data mean for supply chain? It is supply chain segmentation, which is the idea that one supply chain organization can actually manage multiple supply chain outcomes. It's turning a risk program into a resiliency program by controlling many parts of the supply network. We're also introducing two new concepts. The first is a Magic Quadrant Theater. And in a Magic Quadrant Theater, it is an analyst walking through one of the Magic Quadrants we've written in the past year. The intent is that someone who's going to some of the more process-centric track sessions can then go and learn about the technologies that's going to support those activities. The second thing we're introducing is a workshop. And a workshop is a 90-minute analyst-facilitated session. It's going to be dedicated research coming in to talk about a specific topic, an analyst supporting, introducing the topic, giving a little bit of background, and then there will be an activity. So anyone attending a workshop can expect to learn a little bit, participate, and have a discussion, as well as walk away with something tangible. Over the last year, we did a quantitative study focused on the Chief Supply Chain Officer, and as part of the CSCO study, we're asking questions around what's top of mind for executives, where is supply chain heading, how has supply chain changed in the last 5 years. We'll be taking that quantitative data at the top level, walking you through parts of that study in certain sessions, but as well translating that overall information into all the different track sessions so that we have really clearly aligned advice that's going to meet what's top of mind for our executives.